Hello. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, Shaniel. How are you doing? Good night. Welcome. How was your day? All right. I'm just checking in. I'm trying to see if I could start. Hi, Travel with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just Travel Plus. Hello to you too. Thank you so much. All right. Life with Chanel says, I'm okay. Nice seeing Blessing. It was good. Okay, okay. And you're in school right now, Chanel? How was class? Travel with me says, what you doing these days? uh, while you're here, please go ahead and remember to double tap on the channel, all right, on your screen rather, to give the video a thumbs up, okay? And like. So travel with me saying what you doing these days. These days are pretty much um, the same, seeing patients and all. Today, I didn't see any patients today. I went ahead and got some things done. Hi, Jay. How are you doing? I got some things done today. Oh, I should probably tell you about seeing that I was at that office. Okay, nice, Jay. Nice, nice. Oh, remember, guys, remember to give the video a thumbs up. So you have to double tap on the screen. All right. So I went in the other day and um, did a social security, application. So I can tell you about that for persons who are coming in. And, probably you did your application as a part of the process for your filing. And probably you're here and waiting on your paperwork. So usually when you get here in the state, after you've gotten your green card, once you land, a few days or a couple of weeks or so, you should be able to get your social security number and your card. If you haven't gotten it, then just go online and do an application, and just make sure you have like your birth certificate. What else? So birth certificate, and unexpired passport with your stamp of entry, and what else? Yeah, and then just make an appointment online at the Social Security office. And then once you do that, you should be able to go in and get your application sorted out. Uh, Hi, pretty Kaija. Kaisha. Yeah. How are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. All right. Hi, everyone. How are you guys doing? Can you identify yourselves? Only Dingers says hi. Hi, welcome. Melanie or Melton says hello. Hi, thank you so much for tuning in. How are you guys doing? Oh, thank you, Only Dingers. Really do appreciate that. Remember not only to sub, but go ahead and check out the videos, okay? Yeah, so I basically share just about every information regarding nursing, travel, and a little bit of lifestyle. All right. Okay, thank you so much, Melton. Melton says, identify. Melton says, I love your videos. Thank you so much, Melton. CH, hello. Dorothy Robinson. Thank you, Queen, for being so informative. No problem. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the videos. It really means a lot. And I'm happy that, some persons are able to find, information that is beneficial. CH has been loving your videos. Thank you so much, CH312. And then I have Melton says, okay, you're welcome. Oh, are you so natural on video? I'm not natural on video. I'm getting used to social media, videoing and all. So yeah, but I'm not that 100%, all that natural. Still have to kind of prips every now and again, to kind of keep me on track with certain things. But, after a while, my family here um, is very engaging. So, yeah. Alisa Evans says, hi. Melton says, I'm 10. Okay, Melton. You're 10 years old? Alisa Evans says, how was your Thanksgiving? My Thanksgiving was pretty much okay, Alisa. We hang out with a few Jamaicans, and as usual, it's always, fun when a few Jamaicans meet up together, especially when they have good vibes, yeah. And then the food was good, so, we had Jamaican food. So that was really, really good. So we had jerk chicken, oxtail, and we had a little bit of a beef, some turkey, and rice and peas, and yeah, a bunch of food. Hello, Stacy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. And guys, please remember to go ahead and, double tap on the screen to give the video a thumbs up as we're going. And what to eat for Thanksgiving. As I said, I had all of those things, Jamaican food. So jerk chicken, rice and peas. We didn't have any fish this time, and a lot of salads. And yeah, you can cook. Yes, I can cook. CH312. Yes, I can cook. Which woman nowadays can cook? Well, let me not say that, but yeah. Melton says I sub. Thank you so much, Melton. Really do appreciate that. Yeah, nowadays, a lot of persons I think can cook. If you can't cook, then oh Lord, I'm so sorry for you as a woman and a man, Um Alyssa Evans says I'm almost to do my due date. Alyssa Evans, I'm almost to do my due date. Usually when we're talking about due date, we're talking about pregnancy. Is that what you're talking about, Alyssa? Melton says, I'm from Russia. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. Really happy that you're able to. Okay, okay, nice. Nice. Do you know what you're having, Alyssa? I'm going to be a team girl. Yeah, because I'd love to have a girl. So I think twins. Oh, my word. That's so nice. Congratulations to you both for that. 2 girls. Nice. Do you have any boys? Yeah, that's so nice. 2 girls, 2 weeks left. Okay, well, congratulations and, safe delivery, on this is your first pregnancy. Okay, nice. Well, good luck with, with the growth and everything, because I know child rearing it's a handful. CH says, do you have any kids? Yes, I do have a son. He's 6 years old. Yeah, so I have only one. Do we have any nurses on here? Do we have anybody from Jamaica here as well? You can just identify yourself. And if you have any topics that you want me to talk about, as a transitioning nurse or as a nurse practitioner, if you want to hear anything, feel free to go ahead and put that in the comment box below. Melton says, can you help me with English, with your English? Of course I can, Melton. Of course I can, but to what extent? How much do you need help with? Just let me know. Okay, CH says from Jamaica. Thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, I've been posting a few videos, recently, and I do hope that you guys are enjoying, and I would love for you to go ahead and check out the podcast, the videos I've uploaded so far. There is one who is, he majored in computer science and mathematics. And there is another one who, so he did mathematics and computer science, and then he was working, in banking for a while, and then he transitioned over to being an ICU nurse. So you can listen to his story. And then I have another nurse from Jamaica who is also ICU trained from Jamaica. And she's now working in psych and also as a travel nurse. I think she works with this school. So she travels on the bus with kids who need medications. Hers is a pretty decent job. So if you're a nurse and you're interested in that kind of work, you can look it up. It's totally different from school nursing, you know, and it sounds like it's almost like a one-on-one, one-to-one, you know, kind of nursing. So um, that's it. So you can check out their videos. I have a few more persons that I will be interviewing. So I want you guys to, you know, keep an eye out on that. Tom Hicks, hello, how are you doing, Tom? And so I want you guys to go ahead and check those out once I do so. And as I said, there are so many videos that I've uploaded as well regarding my background and just general information regarding, like, you know, my experience on the road traveling, you know, as a nurse practitioner. Some of the cases that I see, you know, I just talk about them as well. And Alyssa says, I'm a chiropractor. Okay, nice, Alyssa, nice. Okay. And then CH says, will you be doing any travel NP jobs in different states? No, I'm not going to be doing any travel NP jobs right now. Probably later on, depending on how things are going. But yeah, not for now. I think I'm doing enough traveling right now. So I'll just hold on to this one that I'm doing. Even though it's just house calls. But I get to go a lot of places, and, you know, the interaction is good. The experience is good. So what are your thoughts on remote NP? CH312 is asking. Being a remote NP sounds pretty decent. I don't know if I'll probably enjoy it because I'm usually an emergency room nurse, or I'm an emergency room nurse. So I usually like, you know, to be, you know, not necessarily running around, but, you know, always active. So having a remote job sounds fun in a sense, but boring at the same time. Yeah. So, yeah. And then Melton. Okay, well, be safe, Melton. Melton says, I'm in my dad's house in Russia. Just be safe. It's nice that you're able to, you know, get onto YouTube and be interacting with us here during, you know, this time. Really do appreciate you. And then Dingers, okay. Yes, so only Dingers wants me to give a shout out, okay. And I'll do that again, only Dingers. There's your shout out. All right, and remember to subscribe to my channel. All right, and watch the videos and comment and like and share, all of that. CH is asking, will you do or start your own business as an NP? Yes, I definitely would want to do that. There are so many things that, yes, I want to do. I would probably do something online that I have the flexibility to, you know, still travel, do my YouTube, and go ahead with, you know, seeing patients as well. So that's good. Life with Chanel. So I'm going to give a big shout out to Life with Chanel. Please check out her channel. All right, she's heading up to 1,000 subscribers. So please go over. She's a Jamaican YouTuber. And as I say, she is on the road to 1,000 subs. So go ahead and check out her channel. How many subs do you have to do a live? I think you can get up to 50. You can have up to 50 subs for you to actually start going live. So I think that was it. Yeah. Melton says, I'm leaving Russia tomorrow morning. Well, safe travel, Melton, on your trip. All right. Safe travel there. You're welcome, Chanel. Not a problem. Not a problem. So another thing seeing that I spoke about the Social Security, another thing that I wanted to talk with persons about is when you're here in the States, if you're a newcomer, you just moved here, and you know, if you're looking to apply for anything, so for example, you're applying for a passport, you're applying for your driver's license, what I would encourage persons to do is, depending on where you're living, if it is a case where it's very busy, location, you're living in the town or the city, I would encourage you to look for any area that is, like, you know, not so busy. So like one of those rural communities or towns or cities close by, and do the application through there, because because they're a little bit slower in terms of there's not much persons in those areas, so your application will get done a little bit faster. So I would encourage you to just go ahead and do your application through one of those towns. So for example, even if the town is probably like say 30 minutes drive or 1 hour drive, just go ahead and do that. And that's inclusive for your passport, all right? Because that will help with getting your application done a little bit fast and get your paperwork and all. Only Dingers, have you set up for Christmas? Oh no, I don't really do Christmas like that, dear. Sorry. Well, now that I have a 6-year-old, I think probably, I'd have to probably start doing all of that because he keeps on singing about Christmas. So, but I don't do any setup for Christmas, unfortunately. Yeah. Have you started? Have you guys started setting up for Christmas trees and everything? I know I have a friend who probably, Christmas, she started Christmas for probably September. Yeah. Yeah, so Melton is asking, how old do you have to be to have a YouTube channel? I guess you can be at any age, as long as you have a parent. If you're a minor, if you have a parent who is controlling, your channel, then you should be able to get one. So yeah. Tony Voigt. Okay, welcome Tony. Thank you so much. And while you guys are here, please remember to go ahead and double tap on the screen. All right, welcome Tony to the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, and if you're a nurse or, depending on what profession you're in, you can you can go ahead and text me on that number that I have if you have a story that you want to share, so we can actually arrange for that. And then another thing is I'll be having, persons calling in, especially nurses, just to share their day in the life of a nurse, or if you're an engineer and you have something, motivational, encouraging you want to share, you can also share with me as well as the family, that is. All right, so remember to do that. Another thing regarding the application for the Social Security, I didn't make mention. When you go there, if you don't have an appointment, you might not be, allowed to see anyone that day. So just be mindful that you have to make your appointment to get in. I think about 2 weeks ago, they said they made some changes, and that was one of them. And then, you can't really use a cell phone or anything in the office. CH312, how do you balance your YouTube and family? Oh my word. YouTube is like a full-time job, honestly. YouTube is a full-time job. And but I'm doing it part-time. But the amount of work you have to put in, it's so much. Let's just say it's a lot of work. So balancing YouTube, work, and family, it's tricky, like when I have downtime, then I definitely go ahead and do a video or two. And other times, I just have to work and make sure that the family is well. So you just have to find that balance. For me, as I say, I'm on the road most of the time, so I definitely do my videos from there. And sometimes when I do get home, I might, sit down and do a video or two or some edits. And then, from there. But majority of the time, I don't think it doesn't really affect it that bad, because I still try to make sure, my son does his schoolwork and everything. And when it's time to wash, cook, clean, I still do that. And then when it's time to make my notes, I still go ahead and do that. So the balance is not that bad. But as I say, YouTube is a lot of work, and I never really expected this much in terms of, YouTube. So as I go along, I'm balancing a little bit better and learning as I go along. So yeah. All right. Do we have any nurses here? What area are you in, CH312?